In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Zoom, desktop, iPad, and mobile. Let's start by getting into a Zoom meeting. You can join or start a meeting the way you normally do, and make sure your audio and camera are set the way you like. If you're not seeing the option to share, the host may have restricted sharing to hosts only, so you might need them to enable participant sharing. Before you continue, it's a good idea to close any windows you don't want others to see, and silence notifications so they don't pop up during your share. Once you're in the meeting, look for the share button on the toolbar. On desktop and the web, it's the green icon with an upward arrow along the bottom of the screen. On tablets and phones, you'll see a share or share content option. Depending on your device, it may be in the main toolbar or under a more menu. Tap or click that to open the sharing panel. Now choose what you want to share. You can share your entire screen, which shows everything you see as you navigate, or you can share a specific window so only that app is visible to others. If you're using a browser, you may also see the option to share a specific tab. Entire screen is great for demos that jump between apps. A single window is better when you want to keep the focus and protect your privacy. A browser tab is often the most efficient choice for sharing a single web page or web app. If you want your audience to hear audio from your device, like a video clip or music, turn on the sound option at the bottom of the sharing panel. On desktop, look for the setting that lets you share computer sound. On mobile and tablets, you'll see a similar toggle for device audio. Keep in mind that when this is on, anything your device plays can be heard in the meeting, so it's smart to pause notifications and adjust your system volume first. When you're ready, click or tap Share. Zoom will highlight the content you selected and participants will immediately see it. Move through your material at a steady pace and consider zooming in or enlarging text when needed so everything stays readable. On some devices, you may be prompted to grant screen recording permission the first time you share. Just follow the prompts and you may need to return to the meeting afterward. That's it. Join the meeting, hit the green share button, pick what to show, enable sound if you need it, and then start sharing confidently.